Day 11th of 30 days crash course job and profession barake khabari wak. What is that specific vocabulary list? How to describe the same jobs and profession in English? You can use the structures to describe your job and profession. Hello and welcome to hamidtalashtalks, day 11th of 30 days crash course. पनने लेक्चर की बदरता the jobs and profession vocabulary और अगर specific structure तासु यूज़ कवले शई चिखपल job and profession बारा के खबरें वकरे प English के नु प English के बखपल jobs and professions संग describe के or what is that specific vocabulary list अगर specific vocabulary list बम्स दकवे तरसो to the different jobs and profession बारा के खबरें वकरे शई. So the first word is cleaner. The next word is driver. Next one is sales assistant. Next one is hairdresser. Chef. Many people are pronouncing it chief. It is not chief. C-H-E-F. It is known as chef. Gardener. Vet. Vet is a person who is also known as veterinarian. The zanavaru doctor ta veterinarian way. Actor, doctor, nurse, police officer, firefighter, farmer, construction worker. In American English we say construction and construction worker. In British English we say builder, artist. Next one is receptionist, mechanic, engineer, scientist, teacher, businesswoman, businessman. Now, this is the first part which is completed. The second part is how to describe the same jobs and profession in English. Kalachita wadi ch job and professions bara ke khabare ho ki no be verb yani izmar ba use kare. For example, I am a doctor. He is an engineer. She is cleaner. They are nurse. That is how we are using SMR to describe different professions. Or if someone asks us, what do you do? So you can say, I'm a doctor. Dasim village, I work as a doctor. I work for a bank. If you are a banker, I'm a banker. Ya dasim village, I work for a bank. So that is the specific structure. For example, someone is asking you, are you a doctor? No, I am not. I am a teacher. Are you a scientist? No, I am not. I am an engineer. That's how you can use the structures to describe your job and profession. I hope job and profession vocabulary is clear to you, and I hope the structure how to describe different jobs and professions is also clear to you. Thank you. Follow for more. Keep watching our course. You will learn more, inshallah.